Hey everyone, it's Big J here and coming at you with a few more market ideas that I feel fairly strongly about and wanted to share with you guys. Um, as always, the opinions that I'm about to go through on these stocks are my opinions only. So if you do find them interesting, please trade them at your own risk and use proper risk management. Okay, just a little about me. My system, I've been doing this for 16 years and developed a system with three real components. One is I look for big volume. Two, I look for positive chart patterns. And three, I look for strong fundamentals. And fundamentals can include sales, earnings per share, new products, things like that nature. But anyways, let's get into it. The first thing I'm looking at here is actually a quick view of the NASDAQ on the monthly chart. I think monthly charts are very useful, and you can see here we're getting close to the year 2000 highs from way back when. Thus, I expect in a few months we're going to see some volatility regarding that, but nothing yet at the moment. But that's definitely something to think about. Okay, a couple of ideas here. One which I really like is AKS. And, I think this one fits really well in the fitting the criteria of my method here. One, it's got a great chart pattern. Look at this. Is that me or is this a cup and handle chart pattern? I mean, it looks like it to me. Um, I'm not the best chart reader out there. There's plenty of people who are better than me at interpreting it, but it looks kind of cup and handle-ish to me. Here we are again on the weekly chart. Looks like the cup and handle. One other thing I like on the weekly chart, it pertains to big volume. Look at this. Big volume right here. Big volume again, and again, and again, and again. Basically, the big volume is telling us that big institutional investors are interested in this company, and it might have enough positive things to turn into something special. One thing I like about this volume from a couple of weeks ago is that occurred when the company released some bad news, and instead of going down and being sold off, institutional investors stepped up and bought even more and committed more money. So to me, that's telling us that this is a really good chance of being a real winning stock. The other nice thing on the fundamental side is the company implemented a price increase. Commodity firms that it can raise prices typically would indicate a favorable situation. So again, it's something we hope that develops further. Another company that got my interest is INSM, and it got my interest strictly through volume. Again, here is on the weekly chart. Look at that big volume spike. I mean, something good is going on here. Go to the monthly chart. Wow, look at that. Biggest volume in, what is that, 10 years, 12 years, something like that? Basically, it's telling us that we should be looking at this company to see if it fits in other ways, so that it may turn into something special. It's not a guarantee that something special is going on. It's just an indicator that maybe there's something there. So it's definitely something to put on your research list and take a closer look at. One other company which I'm surprised that nobody's really talking about is CELG. And CELG here is this is on the monthly chart, and you know what? This stock was a great stock throughout 2013, and I don't see any reason why it can't be a great stock here in 2014. The stock spent 5 years going sideways and basing. Then it launched at the beginning of 2013 on volume, big volume. So you've got chart pattern and volume, and fundamentally it's got great sales and earnings over the last few quarters. So when you put it all together, this stock to me looks like it's getting ready to keep going higher. And again, I'm surprised nobody's talking about it. But I think it's one to watch and one for you to research. So again, these are all my opinions, but if you do take action, do so at your own risk and use proper risk management. All right, that's all the time I have. So have a good night, and we'll talk again soon. Thanks.